Twinning means presence of two fetus in the uterus. Now, before going into the details, we should know what is zygosity, what is chorionicity, and what is amnionicity. Zygosity is the number of the zygotes which are forming the twins. अगर तो twins सिंगल zygote से बन रहे हैं they are monozygotic, और अगर twins डबल zygote से बन रहे हैं then they are dizygotic. Similarly, if both twins are sharing the single placenta, they are monochorionic. But if both twins have their separate placenta, they are known as dichorionic. In the similar manner, if both twins are present in a single sac or amniotic cavity, then they are said to be monoamnionic. But if they have two separate sacs, then they are diamnionic. These terms are important because often they come in the exam, and while studying the topic they will be repeated time and again. So keep in mind, zygosity is the number of zygote, chorionicity is the number of placenta, and amnionicity is the number of amniotic sacs. Now let's come to the dizygotic twins. अब dizygotic twins का मतलब है कि दो सेपरेट सेकेंडरी oocyte थे एंड दो सेपरेट स्पर्म थे विच फर्टिलाइज्ड, टू zygotes formed. वो दो zygotes आगे अपने डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज में जाके अलग अलग जगह पे यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट हो गए एंड टू बेबीज वर फॉर्म्ड इन द यूट्रस. जब दोनों डायजाइगोटिक होंगे, अलग अलग जगह पर वो ट्रांसप्लांट इम्प्लांट होंगे यूट्रस में, दे विल बी हैविंग देयर सेपरेट zygotes, they will be having their separate placenta, and they will be having their separate amniotic cavity or amniotic sacs. As a result, dizygotic twins will be dizygotic, dichorionic and diamniotic. ठीक है? And moreover, these twins will not be sharing the facial or other similarities with each other. Gender can also be different in the dizygotic twins. तो अगर तो दो बेबीज का जेंडर डिफरेंस है, दे कैन नॉट बी मोनोजाइगोटिक, वो डायजाइगोटिक होंगे. ठीक है? एंड अगर बेबी डायजाइगोटिक हैं, दे विल बी डायamniotic एंड dichorionic. Let's come to the monozygotic twins, which are a little bit complex as compared to the dizygotic twins. Now, in monozygotic twins, a single sperm fertilizes a single egg. As a result, a single zygote is formed. Now, this zygote, in any of its developmental stage, divides and forms two zygotes. These two zygotes, depending when they were cleaved from the parent zygote, will develop into the two babies. Now this depends कि अब मोनोजाइगोटिक ट्विंस में दो प्लेसेंटा होंगे या वो सिंगल शेयर करेंगे, दो एमनियोटिक कैविटीज होंगी या वो सिंगल शेयर करेंगे. ये इस पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो जाइगोट किस डे ऑफ डेवलपमेंट पे डिवाइड होकर दो डिफरेंट जाइगोट्स में बना जिसने दो बेबीज बनाए. ठीक है? अगर तो एक जाइगोट 0 से 3 डेज के अंदर अंदर डिवाइड हो जाता है, ठीक है, 0 से 3 डेज के अंदर अंदर a zygote that was developing into the baby divides and forms two different zygotes, then the two babies which will be formed as a result of these two zygotes will be having two different placenta and two different amniotic sacs. As a result, monozygotic twins in which the zygote was divided between 0 to 3 days of development are monozygous, dichorionic and diamniotic twins. ठीक है. But if a single zygote divides in 4 to 8 days of development, then जो दो zygote बने थे और उनसे जो बेबी बनेंगे twins, they will be sharing the single placenta, but they will have different amniotic sacs. As a result, they will be monozygous, monochorionic, diamniotic twins. ठीक है. ये सारा चक्कर zygote की डिवीजन on the specific days का है. If a zygote divides into two different zygotes forming two different babies in 0 to 3 days, the twins will be having same zygote, there will be monozygous, different placenta, they will be dichorionic, and different amniotic sac, they will be diamnionic. Similarly, if a zygote divides in 9 to 12 days, then the twins which will be formed from the two zygotes will be having same placenta, same zygote and same amniotic cavity. So monozygous, monochorionic and monoamniotic twins. But if the zygote divides after 12 days, the twins formed will be conjoined twins. Let's see this diagram. If a morula is formed from the zygote and it cleaves into two halves in day 1 to 3, twins will be having separate placenta, separate amniotic sac, and they will be known as dichorionic, diamniotic. If the cleavage is at blastocyst stage between days 4 to 8, twins will be having same placenta but different sacs. So monochorionic and diamniotic twins. All these twins are monozygous. And if the cleavage is between 8 to 13 days or 8 to 12 days, at the stage of implanted blastocyst, the twins are sharing the same placenta and have the same amniotic sac. And these twins having same placenta and same amniotic cavity are known as monochorionic, monoamniotic twins. And if the cleavage is after the 12 days, between 13 to 15 days, twins produced are conjoined twins. Now it should be known that monochorionic diamniotic twins are at more risk of twin to twin transfusion syndrome, in which the blood goes more to the one twin whereas less to the other one.